So YouTube is changing, and the new way for you to grow on the YouTube platform is way different from what content creators were doing like 5 to 10 years ago. And these new changes are not inherently bad, as they're resulting in new content creators blowing up seemingly overnight. So let's jump into the details. One of the biggest changes that took place on the YouTube platform is the fact that YouTube no longer have an overly exaggerated emphasis on the number of subscribers that a channel needs to have in order for YouTube to promote those channels' YouTube videos. No, this is directly in contrast to what usually happened back in the past, like say 5 years ago, because what usually happened back then is that the number of subscribers that a channel has was, well, the GOAT. And this is because of how YouTube video promotion usually works. Because what would happen is that after you release a new video, YouTube would then take that video and then show it to all of your subscribers, which meant that your success on the YouTube platform was directly proportional to the number of subscribers that you had. However, in recent times, YouTube decided that it's not going to be promoting your videos like this anymore because it's not working for them. Because number one, your subscribers are not clicking on your videos, or even if they're clicking on your videos, they're not even watching your videos past the 30 seconds mark. So the two main criteria that YouTube use to determine whether or not they will be promoting your YouTube videos is the CTR, which is the click-through rate, and the AVD, which is the average view duration. And your CTR and AVD is what's now classified as the GOAT. So no, it doesn't matter if you have a lot of subscribers or not, as YouTube is now judging each of your videos based on their individual merits. So say, for example, if you have like 1,000 subscribers and you release a new video, YouTube will then test that video before it starts promoting it to everyone. So what they would do is that they would test that new video with like 100 of your subscribers and see if it does well. If it does well, then they promote it to more people and promote it to people who may have a similar interest in those type of videos, like people who are not your subscribers. However, if the video does bad, then they will stop promoting that piece of content. And because of these new rules, you can go viral without spending a whole lot of time building up a large number of subscribers. And a perfect example of this is van life YouTuber Janelle Elena, who decided to start a YouTube channel about her van life experience and was able to achieve up to 1.3 million subscribers after just 3 weeks, after posting only 3 videos, and the following month was able to acquire over 2 million subscribers. And the craziest thing about all of this is the fact that she's not the only one with these type of experiences. This serves to show that you too can go viral in little to no time if you make the right type of videos for the right type of audience optimized correctly. You too can achieve rapid growth. If you got value from this video, then consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time, see you in the next video.